Hare Krishna students, very good morning to all. Today we are going to continue with chapter 16, active and passive voice. In our previous class we have discussed about present tense, how to change active voice to passive voice of the sentences in present tense. Now we will discuss about past tense. At first, simple past tense. Here you can see examples. Rita wrote a story. It is in active voice. And now we will turn it into passive voice. A story was written by Rita. Next example, I bought a bag. A bag was bought by me. So the rule is subject of active voice will be the object in passive voice, and object of active voice will be the subject in passive voice. Then auxiliary verb will be placed, and then third form of the main verb or past participle form will be written, and then by. Now see, active voice we write the past tense form of the verb, means wrote. Passive voice we write was or were, then past participle form of the verb was written, and then by. Next, students, please go to the next page number 88, past continuous tense. Here we can see the examples. Rita was writing a story. I was buying vegetables. This is the examples of past continuous tense. Now, to change these sentences into passive voice, we should write, at first we should change the subject and object. As you can see, Rita was writing a story. In active voice, a story is object, and here in passive voice, a story is subject. Then auxiliary verb, singular subject, a story, so singular verb was. Then being, B-E-I-N-G, then past participle form of the main verb. Here for past continuous, we should add being, and then after past participle we should write by. In the next examples also you can see, I was buying vegetables. Vegetables were being bought by me. Here personal pronoun I has been changed into me. Now students, see the formation. In active voice was were plus ing form of the verb, and in passive voice was were plus being plus past participle form of the main verb. Next, students, past perfect tense. Examples you can see, she had completed the work. They completed the project. See the changes. The work had been completed by her. In past continuous we have seen then B-E-I-N-G, being was added. Now here B-E-E-N, been is added. Okay, for past perfect. For continuous, being, and for perfect, been. Next, you can see in active voice we write had plus past participle form of the verb, like had finished, and in passive voice had plus been plus past participle form of the verb, like had been finished.